Hello lovelies! We didn't get the chance to do this kind of videos in a long time because, to be totally honest, I haven't been really trying new products. I've just stick to my old routine that worked like for many years. I think the last time I've done this kind of video was in 2023 when I actually bleached my hair. Yeah. Then was like a whole new routine that I had to get used to, so yeah. But as you can see right now, I've changed my hair color again. It's not bleached anymore, it's just a red.
Nice fairy princess costume. Where'd you get it?
Actually, I'm not wearing a costume.
Oh, okay.
I got it at the Googleplex Mall.
And of course that I also tried some new products. I also focused more on short form content. I've shared some of the products with you. In short videos, I didn't really get a chance to talk in more depth about them. So let's do this right now. Just, I don't know, take a drink, stay cozy, bring your blanket because don't forget, it's the cozy season. I really love the burr months, so yeah, let's go, let's dive into it. So the first product I want to show you is this one. It has been trending on TikTok for, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. It's the Dream Coat. It's the Dream Coat. They say that it magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So basically it's not making your hair so frizzy anymore. I never really had this problem with frizzy hair, but I was just curious, of course. And I also didn't want to buy it a few years ago because I had to order it from another country. I was thinking about taxes and yeah, till it's going to arrive, it's going to take a lot of time, so I just didn't bought it, didn't order it. But I think the universe was something like, yeah, you know, let's try it this year. This is the year when we are going to dream coat our hair or something like this. And a new Douglas store opened nearby, so yeah, that's why I actually went there, saw it and bought it. And to be totally honest, I really love it. How I use it right now, it's like after my everything shower, I'm towel drying my hair so that I won't have that excess of water on my hair, you know. Just because I don't like to apply any product on my hair when it's dripping wet, because the whole product it's going to go on the ground. It's not going to remain on my hair, of course. So yeah, I'm just going to spray it all over my hair, not really the scalp, to be honest, just from here down. And it kind of makes my hair feel like plumped, you know, like plumped. Like it has more dimension, to say so, not volume, but dimension. It's plumped. I don't even know how to explain it, but I really love the sensation, the texture, the feeling of my hair when I'm using it. I also heard some opinions about it that whenever they were using this product, it made their hair more drier, but it's not the case for my hair. Have you tried it? If yes, let me know. How did it work for you? I'm really curious, honestly. But yeah, for me, this one is a yes. I'm going to repurchase it. Even though I have a lot of product in, I think I bought it like 2 months ago and it's still here. As I told you, I'm not using a lot of product. Maybe that's why it's making your hair dry if you are using it, you know? It's like with the K18 hair mask that if you are going to use more than a pea size, it's going to make your hair more oilier. You know, maybe it's like the same mindset, same mindset, maybe, I'm just saying. But yeah, still, we approve it. Next products are the ones from Ouai. I never know how to pronounce this brand. Let me just search for it, wait. Some brands are so good, I totally love them. I really want to recommend them to everybody, like just to talk about the hype that I'm getting from them, you know. But then I realized that I don't know how to pronounce it. How to pronounce them. It's French, okay. Okay, so I think it's pronounced oui. Maybe, I don't know, but this is the one I'm talking about, you see? So actually I also tried the hair mask, but I don't have the empty anymore. I just threw it away already. I was like, yeah, I don't need it. I didn't thought to make an empty about it, you know? But it's okay, you know what I'm talking about. I'm just going to put here the other hair mask. It's amazing. It smells like vanilla pudding. This one. It smells like vanilla pudding. It's so smooth, like the texture, it's smooth and creamy, but like really creamy, you know? When I am using that hair care product, that product on my hair, It actually makes my hair so smooth. That's a really big yes for me. Oh my god, I just noticed that I had a thing this year with this brand. I also got again the clarifying shampoo. I already talked about it. It's like the best clarifying shampoo that I have ever tried. So clarifying shampoo, hair mask, uh, leave-in conditioner, and also body and hair oil. It's crazy. My god. We need to start a fan club or something. Really good. The shampoo, I love it. It's not drying my scalp. It's like cleaning it properly, but it's not drying my scalp or hair. So it's like exactly the perfect amount of clarifying, to say so. I'm saying this because I'm also dyeing my hair every 2 or 3 months. So yeah, not bleaching it though, but dyeing it regularly. So I don't really have that problem. So yeah, that's a really big win. Let's go. And of course, right now I also have just good things to say about these two products as well. They are really lightweight, the both of them. The scent of everything that this brand has, it's amazing. Yeah, also something that I really love about this hair oil is that it's really super lightweight. I love this. I really love this. And also with the excess of the hair oil, maybe I'm just putting 2 pumps instead of 1. I just feel like my hair needs it that time, and I'm just like doing this, putting it all over my hair, mostly on the ends, especially when I'm getting out of the shower, you know, just to seal in the products, everything that I've used in the shower, to seal in the goodies. And then I'm just going to apply all over my hands. And sometimes I'm applying some extra pumps from this oil, just to get on my skin, on my whole arm as well. So yeah, this one I'm totally going to rebuy it, and also this one as well. So the both of them, they are yes for me. So I told you already that I dyed my hair a new shade of red, and if you are also dyeing your hair red, you know that there is that struggle that we all have, that the hair color, the red hair color, is always fading away with each shower you take. It's like really frustrating, and I really love the hair color, the new shade of red. And I was like, yeah, I want to keep it more. I want to keep it longer. Even though I love this, it's kind of like a love-hate relationship between me and red. Like these stages of this journey, you know, when you have that intense fantasy-like red shade, and afterwards it's going to, I don't know, blondish kind of. It really depends. It also gives you a lot of flexibility, a lot of power, to say so. So yeah, of course, that when I started my journey again with being a redhead, I was obsessed, and I asked the hairdresser, okay, just recommend me what hair products to use right now just to maintain my hair color for a longer time. And he recommended me Kevin Murphy. 2 products from Kevin Murphy, a shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is this one. It's the Everlasting Color Wash, and the conditioner is this one. Okay, so this is the shampoo that literally says in the title of it, it's named like this, like Everlasting Color Wash. So that means that it's supposed to help your hair color to remain for a longer time after you washing it. But the thing is that I'm not really sure that it really did what it actually says it does, you know? Like, if I'm thinking right now about this product compared to other shampoos that I've been using, I can't really say with the hand on my heart, you know, right now, just like, yeah, you know, this product really helped me to keep my hair color for a longer time. I can't really say that because I don't feel like this happened. Maybe a little bit, but I don't know. It was also kind of expensive, to say so, and compared to other shampoos, to say so, this is something that I really noticed, is that it's like really gentle, In the day that I washed my hair with it, I felt like My scalp was clean, yeah, but I also experienced itchy scalp while using it. And already in the second day, especially the third day after using it, my scalp got really, really oily. Not the hair length, but the scalp. And this made me crazy, you know. So for me, I'm not going to repurchase this one. I don't really feel like it's a match, you know. But if you know that you are usually using gentle shampoos like this one, just give it a try. Let me know how it is. Let me know how it's working for you. And if you indeed saw a difference compared to other shampoos, that this one really helps you to maintain your hair color for a longer time. But in comparison with this product from Kevin Murphy, the conditioner, my cuties, I have to tell that this one made me really happy, really, really happy. This was actually the first product that I've been using that contains as an ingredient baobab. And I was like, huh? Okay, what is that about? And the hairdresser also told me that this product, having this ingredient baobab in it, it's like really nourishing for the hair. And of course that I wanted to try it. Of course, I'm not crazy, I'm there. I asked him for advice and he told me about this product. I was like, okay, let me know. Give it to me, let's try it. And I really have to say that it really nourished my hair length. Sometimes I really felt like I don't even need a hair mask afterwards, but don't get me wrong, I'm always using after shower hair care products as well. I'm just saying compared to other conditioners. So I loved it. And what can I say about the scent? Whenever I'm using this conditioner, it has such a lovely scent. It makes you feel like whenever you are washing your hair with it, it's like you are going to a salon, to the hairdresser every single time. It has that VIP scent, you know, like, ha, I am rich, I have money to go to a hair salon every single day, I don't know, every 3 or 4 days to just go and wash my hair there. I don't know how much that is, I'm just saying like this is a comparison just to tell you how I feel about the scent. Maybe it's not that expensive, but yeah, I've never really I never meant that kind of appointment to go to the hairdresser to wash my hair instead than me doing this to myself. Maybe I should try it someday. I know that every hairdresser was like, okay, you are washing your hair by yourself? Isn't that a lot of trouble? I was like, yeah, maybe, I don't know. I've been having long hair for a lot of time. As you know, hair care for me, it's a self-care. It's one of my favorite self-care methods. It's like making me really relax. The scents from the hair products, the routine itself, just spreading my hair. I also like to visualize everything, like put there a little bit of magic to say so, you know. I love that. So yeah, for me, this one is like not really the best conditioner, but I'm going to repurchase it because it's too expensive to say so. It's like rather more expensive than a normal budget, you know. But yeah, I'm going to repurchase this one. Love it. Oh yeah, and something really important to mention about these two products is that they lasted me 2 months. So yeah, exactly 2 months, and I've been using them once per week. I've been washing my hair once per week, yeah, sometimes twice, but mostly once per week. I'm going to talk to you about the Shea Moisture. You know that since I started my hair care and hair growth journey like 5-6 years ago, I can't really remember. I can't believe it has been so long, maybe even more. I don't know. I have to really check my Instagram to see. When I started my hair care and hair growth journey, I actually used my Instagram as my digital journal back then, like just to keep in mind everything that I've been using for my hair, every DIYs that I tried, what I thought about them, and that's how I started to be content creator. That's how I started to attract a lot of members of the lovely community we have, because they were also interested in it, and I was like, okay, that's nice, we can share together, we can help each other, that's amazing. And yeah, I really think that. I thought that back then, and I'm still thinking that right now. Okay, so let's talk. This product, Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. It contains sea kelp and argan oil. It's simple, It's not expensive. I love it. But something interesting is that when I had my natural hair color, it was kind of weighting my hair down, you know? Like when I used to use this back then, I really had to be sure that I'm not using a really big quantity on my hair length. Yeah, but right now I don't really have that problem. So indeed, it's a deep treatment mask. It's really good for dyed hair, bleached hair, and all that. So yeah, Shea Moisture is one of my favorite. One more product that I want to talk to you about today is one of my all-time favorite shampoos. It's one of my favorite shampoo for so many years. And yesterday I ordered the product again, and guess what? Guess what, my lovelies? I really thought that this is going to be a plus size or something, because they usually used to do that from certain products, especially this one. And it kind of looks like this, you know, with this colored band right here. And I was like, yeah, okay, it's a plus size, that's good. They had a really nice offer with this shampoo, the conditioner, and also the hair mask. And I was like, yeah, of course I'm going to buy them. But I panicked a little bit because they kind of changed the formula. The scent is also slightly different. It's more powerful, to say so. And I panicked. I was like, oh my God. They promise like this is an improved formula and this is going to be less breakage. But in my head, as an overthinker, you know, the overthinking is its finest right now, it was, oh my God, that means that it's going to be more gentle. Maybe that's going to mean that the formula, it's not that good anymore, not that powerful anymore. So it's not going to be a good sign for the oily, normal oily scalp, you know. Or maybe it's going to mean the opposite. Maybe it's going to be too powerful for your hair. So yeah, right now I can't wait to go to wash my hair and use it to see how is it going to be like. Let me know what kind of products would you like me to try out. And yes, see you in my next one. Give me some ideas. What would you like to see here as long form content? Because I would totally love this. Take care, cuties. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. And like the video.